I have few files on my OneDrive. Is this possible to read these files in the UiPath Studio Web? To do that, I'll go back to my UiPath Studio Web. And here let's look for the activity. The activity name is get file or folder. And this activity is going to work on OneDrive and SharePoint. All you do, click on this activity. After you have clicked on the activity, the very important thing is to set up the connection. So how do you set up a connection? You click on this and then you click on connection. Okay, now you can see connecting allows UiPath products to interact with Microsoft OneDrive and SharePoint. Okay, this we have done it for the Microsoft Outlook as well. All I will do, I will select the folder where I would like to build the connection. Let's say I would like to do the connection in the IT department project. And these are the different scope, access scope. Alright, now all you have to do, click on connect. It is pretty simple. Now it is asking to select my account and enter the PIN. Okay, now you can see your connection is successful. Now what would happen? A connection would be built here and a name would appear here. So wait for a few seconds. You can see the connection has been built and the name has appeared. Now once this has been done, the next thing it should be able to show me the required files that are present in my OneDrive. So it is present in documents and there are a couple of files. Now how do I see them? If you see, I see OneDrive. If I click on it, you have to double click. Now it is showing documents. Let me double click. Now it's showing me the files, exact the files that I have on my OneDrive. So let me select one of the file and hit on save. Okay, now look at the additional properties. So file or folder is the output. Now using this output, let's try to do something. For example, I will use a write line activity. And let's say I want to print the file or folder name, for example. And let's run it. Okay, this was the old connection. Let me remove it. Okay. Now it is trying to connect with my OneDrive. So if you see, it has written the file name, file example 123. So now it tells us the connection has been built. Now, why are we learning all these small things? Because using all this learnings, we are going to utilize it on a bigger automation. Thank you for watching. Let's meet once again in our next content.